As the year begins, I want to start with a one word thank you. Thank you to your customers, well wishers, friends, and relatives, and everyone who stood by VegCrop during both good times and difficult times. I wish you and your family a very happy New Year 2026. The year gone by was not easy for us. At last year to this Jan to April, we went through a tough phase after losses in Sudan. But instead of giving up, we choose to rebuild calmly, honestly, and step by step. We corrected our mistakes, fixed cost structures, and rebuilt VegCrop on a much stronger foundation. So this year we focus strongly on educating and awareness by creating 35 plus videos to share one simple belief: frozen is the new fresh. From April to December, we exported more than 20 plus containers of frozen foods. And as we step into the new year 2026, we confidently move forward with a clear goal of 60 plus containers. I would like to say heartfelt thank you to our customers in Australia, in particular. Your trust, patience, and long-term belief in VegCrop gave us the confidence to move ahead. We value the relationship deeply and we committed to serving you even better in year ahead. As we entered year 2026, we move ahead with clear and focused goals. For the next 12 months, the SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, which are realistic with time. Export 60 plus containers by strengthening existing and building a new customers. Build a strong domestic presence in Mumbai across Horeca and retail space. Launch and scale Rasoi Express as a chefless kitchen solution and cloud kitchen brand. Grow our focus brands with a disciplined execution. So we have also taken a meaningful step forward to incorporate a company in Europe, VegCrop Europe Private Limited, as we prepare to serve new global markets. As we began this new year, we do so with clarity, confidence, and gratitude. We look forward to working closely with our existing customers and welcoming new partners into the VegCrop family. Thank you for believing in our journey. Happy New Year once again. Let's grow, simplify, and succeed together as we believe frozen is the new fresh.